Myself Gagan Thakur. I am your science teacher in Sadaram Bansal Memorial Senior Secondary School, Kotkapura. Today we will start the 7th chapter of class 5th. The name of the chapter is Food Habits of Organisms. So let's start the chapter.
First of all, I give you the introduction of the chapter. The name of the chapter is Food Habits of Organism. So what is the meaning of food habits? Food habits means what kind of food we eat, and organism means the living beings like humans, animals, etc. So let's start the chapter. Scientists classify organisms or put them into different groups on the basis of what they eat and how they get their food. Let us look at these groups. First is producers. Producers are those which prepare their food itself. For example, green plants including algae, these are called the producers. So how can the plants prepare their food itself? These prepare their food itself by the process photosynthesis. In the photosynthesis process, when carbon dioxide, which is released by the humans, are mixed with the water and in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, these make sugar and oxygen. Sugar is useful for the plants to prepare their food, and oxygen is released for the human being. So producers are those which prepare their food itself, for example plants.
Next is herbivores. The word herbivore comes from two words in Latin, herba, which means plants, and vor, which means eat. So herbivores are those which eats only plants. For example, elephant, giraffe, cows, deer, and rabbit. So herbivores have their own likes and dislikes. Giant pandas, for example, love bamboo shoots, and different types of butterflies prefer different flowers. Next is carnivores. Animals that eat the flesh of other animals are called carnivores. The word carn means flesh in Latin. Indirectly, flesh eating animals also depend on plants for food, since they eat animals that eat plants. Is insectivorous. Insectivorous are those which eat only insect like frog and lizards. There are some insectivorous plant also. They make sugar with the help of green leaves, but they get their supply of protein by trapping insect. They are more like spider than like frog or lizards. They pour